Hello guys. So if you're looking to change your Outlook password, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply open a browser and log into your outlooklive.com account. Then after that, click on your profile icon over here at the top right corner. Then click on my profile. Now wait for a few seconds. And after that, you will come to your Microsoft profile. In your Microsoft profile, just simply click on change password under securities. Click on it. Now it might ask you to again log into your Microsoft account. So if that comes, just simply do that. So after that process, you will come to the password changing page over here. So all you have to do is just simply enter your current password, then enter your new password and re-enter that new password. And if you want to change your password in every 72 days, and if you want a reminder, just simply check this box over here and hit save, and your password will be changed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.